Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to access Evernote online. Let's begin. Accessing Evernote online is very simple. All you have to do is open your browser, launch your preferred web browser, for example, Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. And then the next thing is go to the Evernote website, which is www.evernote.com. And from here, click the login section. You will be forwarded to this option. If you haven't already, you might want to click the sign up button. You can continue using any of your account if you have an account with Google or if you have an account with Apple. For example, I'm going to continue with Google. And then all I have to do is click the continue button. I will then be forwarded to the homepage of Evernote. All right. And from here, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions. Click on continue. All right. What will you use Evernote for? You can pick one that best describes your usage. For example, in my case, that's going to be work. All right. And we're going for the management projects or tasks because we are a group of individual talents and working together seamlessly and simultaneously here in the Uplat's YouTube channel production. All right. So that's going to be something like an online tab, or of course, we're going to be for tasks. And of course, you just have to continue with a free trial or try this for this price a week. It's up to you. I'm going to click the first option and I will be forwarded to this. It takes a little while, but of course, from here, you just have to, if you want to choose from any of the following, but right now what I'm going to do is skip this. All right, and go back to the homepage. And from here, you have successfully accessed the Evernote online. And from here, you can basically do a lot of things. We have a special video, a separate video on how to utilize and use Evernote for beginners. And that you might want to check in our channel. But basically, that's how you access Evernote online. And again, if you're having problems accessing the Evernote online, all I have to do is click the forgot password and just put in the email address or the username associated with your account, and you would receive a recovery email from the support staff. And of course, you might want to just follow the on-screen instructions. Or another option is contact the Evernote support staff if in case you're having problem accessing the Evernote online, your online account, after you have created your successful online account here, and they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.